Hi, today we'll show you, how to install Fiori and what is the requirement media um, to be installed for SAP Fiori stuff. So to start up with, we require Software Provisioning Manager, SAP NetWeaver 7.4 or 7.5 as a gateway server as a separate. We use that as a central hub. And it's required Sybase database or Oracle database or SQL Server, so it could be anything. It depends on your S user and kernel. So let's go step one. So service.sap.com is a service marketplace. Please go to that and navigate to the screen under installation and upgrade and SAP components and SL toolset, or with the short URL SL toolset. So once you reach here, just click on this software logistics toolset 1.0 and scroll down and check for software provisioning manager 1.0 SP09 and download tool. Click on support packages and patches and choose whether it is which operating system you require. So in our case it is Windows, and 70 SWPM 1.0 SP09. This is required for your NetWeaver, which is 7.0x versions. X in case like EHP 1 or EHP 2 or EHP 3 and so on. But if your NetWeaver is higher than that, then we require this SAR file to be downloaded. So please make sure, in our case for the SAP NetWeaver 7.4 gateway, let's use 7 SWPM 1.0 SP09. So this is important for any SAP installations and it is mandatory. Once a software provisioning manager is downloaded or added to the download basket, the next step would be going to the right media, which is NetWeaver 7.4. So let's navigate to SAP Software Download Center and click on Installations and Upgrades. Go to A to Z alphabetical list of my products and select N for NetWeaver. Choose SAP NetWeaver here. So the NetWeaver gateway is also coming with the latest version, SAP NetWeaver 7.5 and SAP NetWeaver 7.4 and so on. So I would like to install with the SAP NetWeaver 7.4. So it's totally up to your business requirement which version should be. Go ahead and just click on this SAP NetWeaver 7.4. Click on installation and upgrade. So this is your OS, Microsoft Windows, and the database which is supporting will be listed out here. So the listed databases are the only ones which your S user has been licensed to, or else where your corporate has been licensed to. So SAP has done a good thing on providing only the software which the company is already had license for. Okay. And once you select your respective database, so SAP Sybase database, I'm just selecting that. As you notice, you can also download Software Provisioning Manager from here as well. Okay, so here in this case, as we are just installing a fresh SAP NetWeaver 7.4 gateway, I would like to go with SAP NetWeaver 7.4 SR2 installation export. This is required, and the kernel is required, and the database. So the rest can be ignorable. I mean, those are not required for SAP NetWeaver 7.4 installation. So we can just download these three, add to your download basket, and then once it's downloaded, my next session will show you how to install complete SAP NetWeaver 7.4 gateway. Okay, thank you very much.